Hello everyone and welcome back to Fix. And today in this video I will show you how to check a car battery, if it is okay or no. So let's get the video started. So come on, let's open the hood and find out how to test or check a car battery. So once you open the hood, you will need a multimeter. Now this multimeter you will have to put on 20 DC voltage. Now I will keep this multimeter in a location where you can see the digits and check what is the difference. Now I will connect the positive wire to the positive terminal and negative to the negative terminal, and the voltage which is showing up here is 12.43, which is a normal voltage. This much voltage should be there on the battery when your car is switched off. Now I will show you that somebody is sitting in the driver's seat to start the car. So when you start the car, your battery voltage should not drop below 9.30. If it is dropping below that, then your battery is weak and it is time to replace that battery. So now come on, let's start this car and check how much voltage drops on this battery. Okay, start the car. Now as you guys have seen that when the car was starting, the voltage dropped to 10.59 and then it shoot up to above 14. What that means is the alternator is charging the battery now. When the car is on and the voltage shoots up above 14, then you know that your alternator is working properly and it is charging the battery. What that means is your system is working fine. One more time I will start the car and I will show you guys. Okay, start the car. So the voltage will drop first and then it will shoot up above 14. It is because the battery is first used to start the car and then the alternator starts to charge the battery. Now once I stop the car, the voltage of the battery has dropped. It is because your battery has been used to start the car, but it did not get sufficient time to charge because I stopped the car immediately. But this is a normal thing. After some time this voltage will go up. Now there is one more thing that I want to show you guys here. So we will go close to the battery, and if you look inside this glass hole, take a torch and flashlight inside, and if you see green color inside, then your battery is fine. If it is totally white or transparent, then it's time to recharge the battery. And as you guys can see that my battery is green inside, which is very good. It means that the battery is totally fine. And if you see red color inside, then you will have to put distilled water and top up the battery and put it for charging, or you will have to contact the dealer and the dealer will add water and top it up and put the battery for charging. And still if the battery is not charging, then it's time to replace the battery. And as you guys can see on top of the battery, it is written as well. Green means okay, white or transparent means needs charging, and red color means add distilled water. Now how to test or check a battery that you have learned in this video. To check it, you just need one multimeter. So buy a good multimeter. The multimeter which I use, I will put a link of that multimeter in the description below. You can go there and check it out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.